This tech giant is set to join the $2 trillion club by 2028. Semiconductors are the backbone of the AI revolution, and this company is already generating massive profits. A transformative shift has taken hold in the tech world over the past few years, driven by breakthroughs in artificial intelligence. In fact, the 5 most valuable companies in the world, each worth over $2 trillion, are arguably at the forefront of AI innovation. AI chipmaker Nvidia recently became the first company to surpass a $4 trillion market cap, thanks to its graphics processing units, GPUs, which are the gold standard for AI workloads. Microsoft's booming suite of cloud-based AI tools has fueled its growth, reaching $3.9 trillion. Apple's 1 billion iPhone users, combined with its latest AI upgrades, have propelled its value to $3.4 trillion. Rounding out the top 5 are cloud and AI leaders Alphabet and Amazon, with market caps of $2.5 trillion and $2.4 trillion respectively. With a current market cap of roughly $1.3 billion, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing (TSMC), often called TSMC, is on a fast track to join this elite group by 2028. The adoption of AI is accelerating, driving demand for its most advanced chips. As the world's largest and most respected semiconductor foundry, TSMC seems destined to become part of this elite collection of businesses. A chip off the old block, after years of working in the shadows, TSMC has finally risen to the spotlight. The company describes itself as the world's first dedicated semiconductor foundry, playing a pivotal role in a tech world increasingly reliant on high-speed chips for AI and high-performance computing. No chipmaker commands as much respect as TSMC. Its biggest customers include Nvidia, ARM Holdings, AMD, and Apple. The tech landscape has changed dramatically since the rise of AI. TSMC once relied heavily on smartphone chips, but high-performance computing, especially specialized processors for AI, has become its primary revenue driver, accounting for 60% of sales. TSMC's growth is gaining momentum. Revenue surged 44% year-over-year to $30 billion in the second quarter, while earnings per American depositary receipt soared 67%. The company expects this upward trend to continue, with management forecasting third-quarter revenue of $32.4 billion, representing 38% growth. The path to $2 trillion, TSMC sits in an enviable position as the world shifts toward AI. Since the biggest tech names rely on its industry-leading processors, it stands to benefit from the rapid adoption of generative AI, a trend that has exploded in recent years. Furthermore, TSMC's growing revenue shows it's well-positioned to capitalize on this opportunity and soon join the ranks of multi-trillionaires. According to Wall Street, TSMC is projected to generate $122 billion in 2025, giving it a forward price-to-sales ratio of about 10.4. Assuming this ratio remains constant, TSMC would need $192 billion in annual revenue to reach a $2 trillion market cap. Even more intriguingly, Wall Street forecasts 16% and 19% revenue growth in 2026 and 2027, respectively. Figures TSMC has consistently exceeded. If it clears these targets, it could hit $2 trillion by early 2029. Given its track record and the accelerating opportunities, I predict it'll happen sooner. Estimates for AI adoption vary widely. One conservative projection from McKinsey & Company suggests generative AI could add between $2.6 trillion and $4.4 trillion to the global economy annually over the next decade. Even the lower end of these estimates is rising as new AI applications emerge. Finally, at 28 times trailing 12-month earnings, TSMC is attractively valued, offering an economical way to invest in the once-in-a-generation opportunity presented by AI. But here's where it gets controversial. Will TSMC truly reach $2 trillion, or is this a risky bet? What do you think? Are we looking at a historic milestone or a speculative gamble? Share your thoughts in the comments below.